Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial on my YouTube channel. This time I am gonna talk about Windows 11 release notes version 22H2 for July 2023 updates. Where we will see Windows July 2023 highlights for KB5028185 updates. You can also see guys over my screen here. So I got that updates which we have to install and update for the Windows July 2023 updates. Also guys, we will also see in this release how to use personalized live captions. Alright guys, so first let us take a look at a few highlights for the July 2023 KB5028185 updates. So guys, for this update, you can just take a look because already you can see the screen Microsoft support page where he has given the complete highlights and improvements with respect to July 2023 highlights. So you can see here what will get this with this update, what will get the highlights. Alright guys, first let us take a look at a few highlights for the July 2023 updates. So with this update, you can easily share local files with your Outlook DAX. Also, you will use in-app voice access with easy for descriptions, examples, and improved search. Quickly see the status of VPN connection in the system tray. With respect to security and simplicity, with this update, you will get simple two-factor authentication codes. And for power users, this update added a single keystroke shortcut in the File Explorer contact menu. Last but not the least, once you install the updates, you can use the live captions available in 9 languages. What are the 9 languages you can see here? So these are the 9 languages: Chinese, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Portuguese, Spanish, Danish, English, and Korean. So if you want to explore more about the July 2023 updates, I request that you visit the official Microsoft support page where you will see highlights and improvements for July 2023 updates. So you can come here, you can just take a look. Yeah. So guys, how do I get this update? So if you are a Windows 11 user with the latest 2020 H2 version, then you will get this update. So please make sure that you have enabled that toggle button. You can see over here. So get the latest updates as soon as they are available. So if you will just toggle on, then you will get whenever that available, you will automatically will get the updates. So for that, just go to security and under security comes to Windows update and toggle it on the latest for updates. Guys, now we will see how to use personalized live caption. So before before using personalized live captions, first you go and update the July 2023 updates and then you perform the steps. So what are the steps you can perform for that? How to personalize live captions? So come to accessibility, just come down and you can see here the captions. So you can see here, make your device easier to use without sound by displaying audio as text. So live captions, audio and video will be captioned live on your screen. So as a shortcut, if you want to turn on the live captions, you can use the as a shortcut Windows logo key plus Control plus L, turn on live captions on. But you have to make an enable, just toggle on this. But you have to do after update July 2020 install and update. So turning on live captions will download the live captions language files. Voice data will be processed locally and you are also data is not shared to the cloud page. When you turn it on the first time, Windows will ask you to download the required speech recognition support. Speech recognition support might not be available in your preferred language. You might want to support in other language. So you can download a speech recognition support from settings, time and language. You can go here and language and region. From there you can, yeah, from there you can just download that one. So guys, please make sure that you have to go to Windows Update and you have to install an update for this. So for that, just to click on the Restart Now button. So okay guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like it, please like it, share it and subscribe to my channel guys. Thanks.